Hey, what's up everyone? Today in this video I'm going to show you how to set One UI 8 3D fluffy widget on your Galaxy device like this. So let's begin. Okay guys, look at this. I clean my home screen. Now let me show you. First go to Galaxy Store and download Goodlog. Simply tap and open. Home Up plugin. Turn on Home Up and also turn on home screen option. And remember, turn on DIY home screen. After turn on all these options, now first tap and go to widget. Look at this photo widget easy app. Guys, these all apps and all images download link available on description. First download these apps and images. After download, follow these all steps. Go to photo widget app, tap on add. Remember, set corner radius 0. Go to gallery, select photo. Now select this fluffy photo. Tap on apply and look at this. Simply set like this. Now add same widget with purple color. Okay, let me show you how to add widgets. First tap and go to calendar. Look at this. Simply add on home screen. First go to setting, tap on background, remove background and save. Tap and enable DIY option and simply arrange this widget on this. Now look at this calendar widget. Now set clock, go to widget, go to pixel widget plus, tap on add and look at this. Simply add and update button. First set size, tap on DIY option, set size. Now place this widget. Now set this clock widget on purple gallery widget. Simply go to DIY option, turn on first and place like this. Now let me show you weather widget. Simply go to widget. This time guys, add One UI 8 weather widget. Simply tap on add, place like this. First go to setting, set icon shape. Now tap on image, tap on select image and this time select this blue image. Tap on save. Now add weather widget. Simply add and guys, go to setting and also remove background this system weather widget. First remember guys, now go to scroll, select font color white. Now place this weather widget on this blue gallery widget. Look at this. Our weather widget completely convert in fluffy 3D widget. Now add another gallery widget. This time add this small gallery widget. Tap select image, select this green image. Okay guys, I will set another same small widget. Now simply go to widget, go to Suggest apps, simply add this widget. Again, remove background and place these widgets with DIY option. Now guys, look at this. I convert my all system widgets into 1/8 fluffy widget with 3D effect. Okay, let me show you big weather widget. Simply tap, go to widget, weather. First, remove background, set white color, go to widget, go to gallery, system gallery widget, add image and simply place widget. Guys, look at this. If you set order, then tap on these downside arrows. Now, look at this everyone. You also set this 1/8 fluffy widget with 3D effect on your Galaxy device. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.